Welcome to Shared Legacy Farms. Here we are in the potato patch, and Farmer Kurt is using a potato harvester machine. This is attached to our tractor. On the front end of his machine is a giant blade that digs under the ground. You can see the top. Of the soil is just lifted up, and then it's bounced along this conveyor belt, and you can actually see some of the potatoes. You can see some of the potatoes getting lifted up. There's one of them right there. And then we'll have a crew go behind this machine and have to dig through this by hand and pull out the potatoes. It's sort of like a treasure hunt. That's how we harvest our potatoes, folks.